Hi, Malaysia HR Forum is organizing a one-day the an event, right? A free event on 20th of December, 9 to 5 in Johor, in Piala Hotel, Senai. So yes, so the CEO just share about that. Arukumar right, just share about that how to calculate HRP, hour rate of pay, because as you all know that by next year it will reduce to from 48 hours to 45. So basically there are two major ways to calculate. If your staff is working 5 days and each day it works 9 hours excluding the lunchtime, then that would be 45 hours a work week, right? So and then you have another 6 day arrangement where you actually require them to work 7.5 hours excluding the what I call that the lunch time, right? So that means that I have a few options right here. 9 to 6 is 9 o'clock. Now if I ask my staff to work from 9 to 5, maybe 5:30 p.m. Oh, then what would it be? When would it be then? Okay, so maybe I say that from 9 and I say work until 4. Alright, 4. So that will for 74, 7 hours and 30 minutes, and I can just tell them to work 6 days, and this is why I ask them to 5 days, so they are flexible in such a way that you can choose 5 or 6, right? Once you choose 6, then you work 6 days. You choose 5, then you work from 9 to 6. All right, so I guess this is what is trying to discuss here. Now, interesting is that how to calculate the hour rate per pay. However, is that it is capped at not 9 but 8. So if this one here, we use the same amount and divide by the 26 times, however, this one times 8, right? So rather than this, then you get 7 ringgit and 20 cents. Now, if it is working at, so that means it's for 5 days, right? Although it's supposed to be 9, but the hourly rate that as Jabatan Tenaga actually spelled out is that the Jabatan Tenaga Kerja, okay, JTK, says that it is 7 ringgit and 21 cents, and this is 6 ringgit and 41 cents. So all right, so that's it, right? So this is the thing, right? So either 6 days, 6 days is 7 ringgit. If it's 6 days then the hour rate is actually 769, and if 5 days, that is 7 ringgit and 21 cents. This is for 8 hours. So let's just now talk about the 8.5, right? So I have only 3 options, right? So there's 3 options here. So okay, that is talk about basic salary. So now let's say I choose to do a 9 hours. So I have a plan for my staff, right? Is that from 9 to 6, as you can see here, from 9 to 6 is actually 9 hours. Okay, so you can do this calculation, right? So 9 hours. But with the 9 hours, what I want them to do is that the first hour, they're going to learn something new, right? Something new according to the course that I talk about, right? After they learn this, then they can go and learn something else. Then they need to review it, and then they're going to start following up. So if I want to hire a marketing staff, that would be something that I want them to do, because most of the people are not disciplined. So as a founder, we got to set up that. So although this job is move from home, it is flexible. Uh, but at the first, right, we want to just discipline. So I will decide that, oh well, they need to do something like this. This is what I expected. Okay, follow a fall, and they need to do this. They need to go on meeting at this time, and so on. And also, I learned from a HR app wider that work from home means we need that kind of app, right? So you can track whether that if you are employee, then we need to track you. If you are professional, we don't need to track you, right? So, but the line between a professional is that can you deliver the result we want, right? So if you can deliver your result we want already after working with Creative for a while, then we know that you can, right? Then we don't need to track you, right? You will deliver the result we want, right? So it is at Creative Wise, we are a company that result based, right? Not about, but for result based, right? Then there's some of the things that so critical, such as planning, such as reviewing, such as reporting, right? So time is of essence, right? In the day, your 9 hour has to be well spent, right? So we're going to say that, well, in that case, that you cannot do social media for non-purpose, right? Non-company purpose, right? It is not right to use that our flexibility to do your personal thing, right? So our flexibility things are not work from home doesn't mean that you don't work for the company, right? So you don't cheat. You don't cheat. Just as the company will not cheat you, right? We will be honest. Yes. So I think that is the foundation. Well, whoever join a company, they can expect that they need to work from 9 to 6. Other than that, they can get off work. And we want them to do also exercise, right? Even exercise. So it's like, don't be busybody, right? Of course, we got a busybody. When you get sick, we gotta pay your medical bills, right? Unless you are freelancer, right? You get sick, it's your own, right? But as a company, as a career employers, we want to make sure you are healthy, so on, yeah. So, hmm, yeah, perhaps we want to say is that, right? Don't take too many oily food also. Well, okay, well, so to be busybody, right? Well, why don't you? Well, if you choose to be creative wise tribe, right? Then you got to be ready for this. Yeah. This is just a suggestion at the moment. I'm thinking about that could be something useful. Let's get back to here. So with that 9 hours, that would be this amount, right? So that's 17. That is just a basic salary. We need to talk about the four categories, right? Such as the EPF, SOXO, the EIS, the HRP Corp fees, um, tax, well, any other employee benefit, right? So team building fees. So all these are there, right? Prices, all these are included, right? So maybe also um, bonuses. So 1 month bonuses, right? Oh, we you perform, right? Of course, you deserve it, right? So and don't forget that you also have annual leave, right? All these is there, right? Because you are employee, you have annual leave. If you're not, you don't have this thing here, right? So to take this, then you need to perform according to this here. Yeah, yeah. I think it's important to tell the candidate that this is what a company expected, right? So expectation is there, so they will not have problem like such as like low performance, not meet my performance, not meet my expectation, right? For example, that I already spell out that you need to follow up 4 clients, right? 4 clients. So within this time frame, 4 clients. So, well, if you meet 4 or 5, you are high performer. But that doesn't mean that you don't do here, right? So separate out with about 8 clients you need to follow up. Okay, so that's about 8 times 5, that's about 40. Yeah, that kind of things, right? So now, so if you say I only follow up 1 client within this period, then you are underperformed because we already spelled out. Is it reasonable? Right, 4 clients within this hour, I think there is room to change, but the thing is, we start with just 4. Yeah, and the clients is we already given you. You just need to follow up with that, right? So and then we have training. We have the team training every single week, and we will organize a 1 whole day training also. As time goes, you can see that I think this is quite helpful for me and for my team. Yeah, Crazy Wise team. So yeah, thanks for watching, and now we know that how to calculate this hourly rate of pay. Thank you to the founder of CEO of the Malaysia Forum. So don't forget to come for Malaysia HR Forum. The 20th December, just a few, about 11 days ago later. Yeah. Thank you.